Hey Jim, got a minute now?
Sure, John. What's going on?
I'm nervous about tomorrow's meeting.
Why? What's making you nervous?
It's my first business trip ever.
Oh, wow. That sounds exciting.
Yes, but I feel pressure too.
Who are you meeting tomorrow?
The vice president of the company.
That's big. You'll do great.
I heard he likes to drink.
Okay, so what's the issue?
I don't drink alcohol at all.
That's fine. Just be yourself.
I'm afraid I'll seem boring.
You're not boring. You're smart.
I just want to fit in.
You can impress without drinking.
I hope he doesn't judge me.
He'll judge your work, not habits.
True, but it still feels awkward.
Maybe prepare some light conversation topics.
Like what? Any ideas, Jim?
Sports, weekend plans, favorite shows.
I don't watch sports much, though.
Talk about your hobbies. Maybe photography?
Yeah. I could mention photography.
Or share a funny travel story.
I have one about Paris.
Perfect. Tell it with good humor.
Should I tell it during dinner?
Only if the mood feels right.
What if I feel nervous again?
Breathe slowly, stay calm, smile often.
I'll practice my story tonight, okay?
Good idea. I'll listen first.
Great. I appreciate your support, Jim.
Anytime, man. You've got this.
Should I dress more formally tomorrow?
Yes. Better to overdress than underdress.
I have a clean suit ready.
Perfect. Polished shoes too, I hope?
Yup, I shined them last night.
Impressive. Details make a big difference.
I'll also print extra business cards.
Smart move. You'll seem prepared.
What if I say something wrong?
Then laugh, correct it, move on.
That's easier said than done.
You'll be fine. Trust yourself, John.
Do you think he'll like me?
Why wouldn't he? You're likable.
Maybe I'll ask about his job.
Yes. People love talking about themselves.
Should I bring a small gift?
No. Not necessary in business settings.
Okay, just my smile and charm.
Exactly. Keep it light and friendly.
I heard he likes funny people.
Then try a joke or two.
I'm not very good at jokes.
Practice a few simple ones tonight.
You know any good short jokes?
How about the elevator joke?
Which one? Remind me again, please.
It's wrong on so many levels.
Ha ha. That's actually pretty clever.
See? You've got humor. Just relax.
What if no one laughs though?
Then laugh at yourself. Break tension.
That might work. I'll try it.
Confidence is your best accessory, John.
You give great advice, you know?
I try. I've been there too.
Have you ever met executives before?
Yes, a few times. It's tough.
How did you stay so calm?
I imagine they were normal people.
That's hard. They feel powerful, intimidating.
Just remember, they're human like us.
That really helps me feel better.
Glad to hear that, my friend.
Should I order food during dinner?
Order something easy. Nothing too messy.
Like pasta or grilled chicken maybe.
Yes. Avoid ribs or spicy curry.
I'll skip garlic too, right?
Smart. You will thank yourself later.
What about shaking hands firmly?
Yes. Firm but not too strong.
I'll practice with you now.
Sure. Go ahead. Nice grip.
Thanks. Should I look in eyes?
Yes. Make strong eye contact.
And smile a little, right?
Definitely. Friendly but professional demeanor.
What if he seems unfriendly though?
Stay polite. Stay positive regardless.
I'll try to mirror his tone.
Great idea. That helps conversations flow.
I feel much better already, Jim.
You're ready. Just be yourself tomorrow.
I'll even wear my lucky socks.
Now that's the secret weapon.
I packed all documents already too.
Excellent. You're well prepared, my friend.
Any final tips before bedtime?
Get enough rest. You'll need energy.
Right? Early sleep and early rise.
Don't skip breakfast. Eat something light.
Toast and fruit should be good.
Perfect. And drink some water too.
Okay, I'll hydrate and stay calm.
And breathe deeply before you speak.
I'll pause before answering questions too.
That shows confidence and clarity.
I hope he remembers my name.
Repeat it once when introduced.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Lee.
That's the way. Sounds respectful.
I also wrote down discussion points.
You're ahead of the game now.
Should I send a follow-up email?
Absolutely. Thank him for his time.
I'll write it the same evening.
Perfect. Keep it short and polite.
Should I mention my goals again?
Yes, but briefly and clearly.
Looking forward to future opportunities, maybe?
That sounds great. Very professional tone.
I think I'm actually excited now.
That's the spirit. Enjoy the experience.
It's not every day this happens.
True. Make the most of it.
Thanks again, Jim. You really helped.
Glad I could be helpful, buddy.
Next time, I'll help you out.
Deal? I might need it someday.
Okay, I'm heading to bed now.
Rest well. Big day tomorrow.
I'll dream of smooth conversations tonight.
And perfect handshakes. Don't forget that.
Ha ha. Yes. Perfect handshakes included.
Go get some rest, John.
All right. Good night and thank you.
Anytime. Good night and good luck.
See you after the trip, Jim.
Can't wait to hear everything, man.
I'll take good notes. Promise that.
Maybe even write a blog post.
Ha ha. How to impress executives.
That'll go viral for sure.
Imagine my picture on the article.
With a title, From Nervous to Natural.
I love that. Catchy and motivating.
You're already thinking like a pro.
I just need to act confidently.
And speak like you belong there.
No more doubts. I'm all in.
That's the John the First no.
I'll message you after the meeting.
I'll be waiting with popcorn ready.
Ha ha. Hope there's no drama though.
Just tell your story honestly.
Even if something silly happens accidentally?
That's what makes it memorable, honestly.
You always know what to say.
Just speaking from past mistakes.
You've given me great confidence, Jim.
Glad to help. You've got this.
All right. I'm going to sleep now.
Sleep tight. Tomorrow is your day.
Thanks, friend. I won't forget this.
You're welcome. Just keep smiling confidently.
Will do. That's my plan now.
Knock him dead, superstar.
Ha ha. I'll try my best.
No doubt. You'll shine tomorrow.
Thanks again, and good night.
Good night, future executive leader,